You want your toddler to play independently, keep them away from screens, and hopefully they learn something valuable. But nothing seems to work for more than 5 minutes. I know because I'm there. I'm constantly hunting for toys that can keep him engaged for a long, long time so that I get some work done around the house and he also gets to enjoy the toy. So I have discovered this one simple toy that has solved this problem for me, at least for now. So this is a magnetic fishing toy, and honestly the magic is how simple it is. You get these chunky wooden fishes, look at these vibrant colors and this magnetic fishing rod. It's priced around 350 rupees at Amazon right now. No batteries, no annoying sounds, no flashing lights, and just a few chunky pieces that are easy to put away when your kid is done playing with it. I introduced this toy to my son when he was about 18 months. Although the toy says it's 3 years and up, but I think it was fine. I gave it to him around 18 months. He was very excited to see the bright colored fishes. I kept it in front of him. I showed him how to catch a fish. He then sat there for 10-15 minutes trying to do it himself, but it was so tough for him at the time. He got frustrated. He started putting it away. But a key to getting your kid to play with any toy is to keep showing it to him again and again and encouraging them to try it. So after a few weeks, he finally caught one fish. The look on his face when he finally achieved it was priceless. Since then, he started playing with it at least 20 to 30 minutes every single day. And I thought to introduce another element to it, which was adding the fish into a bowl of water. A quick disclaimer here, I don't think you're supposed to put the fish into water. I'm pretty sure that will damage it. But kids really enjoy playing with water, so I did it anyway. And we sat in our balcony so that he wouldn't make too much of a mess. And this completely leveled up the game. Just by adding that sensory element of water, I saw him play for more than 30 minutes completely on his own. Now, I know what you're thinking, how long before it breaks or it loses its charm? To be honest with you, we've had this toy for months now and it has gone through different stages of its life. It has been chewed, it has been thrown on the floor, flung across the room, it's got a little damaged around the edges, but the colors are still vibrant and it has not lost its charm. My son still plays with it every now and then. The real reason I really love this toy is because besides entertainment, it's also adding a lot of valuable skills to my child. When your child tries to catch a fish, misses and tries again, that's resilience building. They're learning that it's okay to fail and keep going. And the precision your toddler needs to hold that fishing rod steady until it connects to the magnetic center, that's some serious hand-eye coordination developing. These skills translate directly into everything they'll need to succeed in life. The patience they're building, that's exactly what they'll need when they're learning to read or write through challenging math problems. The resilience from trying again and missing, that'll again help them excel through challenging problems or push through difficult concepts in school. The concentration and eye-hand coordination that your child is developing, these are foundational skills for writing, playing a sport, or tackling any problem-solving situations they'll face. All these capabilities start with play activities just like this. So in my opinion, this is not just a toy, it's an investment to your child's future. As parents, we buy a lot of toys that get played for about 5-10 minutes and then they are forgotten. This is definitely not one of those toys. I've had it for months and it's still going strong. This toy gets my highest recommendation. I genuinely feel that it will be a good investment for you, for your child to play independently, and for you to get your well-deserved quiet time. If you want the exact one that we love and use, then I put the direct link in the description box down below. Be sure to check it out and let me know what games do your little ones love. I'm constantly looking for good engaging toys such as this for my toddler. I would love some good recommendations from you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this was helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.